Hi, I'm Malcolm Towrie. You may have seen some of the shots of us working on restoring the Centurion tank that you see here in front of me. We had it running, we took it out on the track, and we had some fairly severe leaks from the gearbox here below me, which is at the back of the tank, and the two final drive units that transfer power out to the drive sprockets for the tracks. So we pulled the gearbox back out. I must say those leaks weren't entirely unexpected because the seals were probably pretty old and we didn't replace them in the hope they would survive. So we pulled this gearbox out, this large blue gearbox here, dropped it on the ground here, removed the seals after I had to take the steering drums off. We removed the seals. We did the same for the final drives. We pulled the flanges off to get access to the seals, and then found that I had some difficulty finding seals because they were an oddball size from, 70 years ago or whatever it is. And we had to actually, when we got some seals, and then we had to machine some spacers to get the seals to fit. We got it all back together again. We took it out for another run about a week ago, and it went very well with no oil leaks. We had a blast.
Thanks for watching and your interest in the Ontario Regiment RCAC Museum. If you can't visit us here in Ontario, subscribe below so you can catch all of our videos in our different series. If you can, visit the gift shop in the link below, get some great tank swag, and support our museum. We also ask, if you are able, please consider donating. Thanks again.